So today I just want to play around with makeup. Kind of like a de-stressor. I have quite a few palettes that I haven't even touched yet, and it's horrible because I buy them or I receive them and I just don't use them. But there was like a point in time where I didn't want to do makeup at all. Anyways, there's also this BH Cosmetics one, the Royal Affair one, that I used one shade of yesterday and I really liked it. And then there's a whole bunch of like these colors too, so we'll see which one I gravitate towards. I am really loving this green shade though. It's kind of like a sour green color, but we'll see what I do. I am going to prime my eyes with the Milani eyeshadow primer, and then I'm just going to go in with the Can't Stop Won't Stop concealer in Pale. I've been gravitating more towards this because I find that I don't have to work as hard to blend it as I do with the NYX pencil. Now, do not get me wrong, I love the NYX Jumbo Eye Pencil in Milk just because it's like stark white and it's a perfect base to make colors pop, but like this honestly took me no time at all. It looks like a heart. Shade Primrose from the BH Cosmetics Royal Affair palette, and it's like this color, this shade right here. It's more of like a peachy nude, like it's more on the peach side. And I'm gonna go in with a BRC N06 from Coastal Scents. Again, I'm not sure if that's the actual like letters anymore for it, but I will put the link to the brush down below. Obviously, I'm not affiliated or anything with them, but I just love their brushes because I've had them for years and I've never had problems with them. So just put that in your crease. Be more orangey than peach, but it'll get the job done. So I'm just going to do that on you. So what I'm going to do to deepen that up just a little bit is use this shade called Emperor right there. And what I'm going to do is I'm just going to put that a little bit underneath where I just put that Primrose shade. Just to deepen up a little bit. This is kind of like a mustardy brown color. This is definitely like a orangey brown color. I think what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna go in with this and then with this green shade, and it's called Monarch right there, and it's kind of like a army kind of green color. I'm gonna go in with a eyeshadow C brush from e.l.f. It just looks like this, and what I'm gonna do is I'm just gonna pack that on the outer like 1/3 of the eyelid. And of course I'm gonna stamp that into the crease as well. Another Coastal Scents BRC N08 brush, and I'm just going to blend that out. I wasn't really feeling green, but apparently my mind wanted green. So now it's looking very khaki, and get it as even as you can. I swear one eye is like this eye is so much different than this eye. I don't know if you can tell, like it drives me up the wall. What I'm gonna do is I'm gonna add a highlight shade, and I'm just gonna use Rain and it's just like a cream color. And be careful with these shadows if you have this palette because they are very pigmented. So now for the fun part, the basically main reason why I wanted to use this palette. I'm going to use the shade Crown, and it's kind of like a sour green shade, but it's so shimmery and it's just freaking gorgeous. I just love it. Like, look at that. It's so much brighter in real life. And usually I don't gravitate towards greens, but this is just freaking gorgeous. I'm just taking that on a tiny eyeshadow brush. This is from Tokidoki. And just pat it on. So I went ahead and did my eyebrows. My left eyebrow is being a complete witch today. I usually have problems with my left eyebrow anyway, but today is just being exceptionally difficult. I just used the BH Cosmetics one that I am absolutely in love with. And yeah, I didn't really do anything dramatic. I usually never do anyway because they usually don't need a lot of help. And then I just put some eyeliner in my waterline, and I just mixed Honey Dude, which is a like flesh tone color, and Mr. Bing, which is a brown, but this is more of like a reddish brown. Not like a reddish brown, but like, yeah, I guess a reddish brown. So I just mixed them too because I did the Honey Dude first and it was kind of like too harsh. Usually I would say no to eyeliner. However, I want to try this newish brush that I got. It's not technically a makeup brush, but it's just a painter's brush. I got like a whole package of paints, well, paintbrushes, because I painted this mirror I had, but we ended up not using it. I painted it from like a seafoam green to like a metallic sapphire blue. It's really pretty, but I just didn't find a place for it yet. And there's Jade. But I'm just going to use the ColourPop eyeliner, cream eyeliner in Swerve. It's just a black, and then I'm just going to use this. Hopefully this will work out for me better than any other brushes I've used, but we'll see. So, can we just not even, this one like is pretty good, but this one kind of went a little thicker. It's a work in progress. I am not gonna like go too far. So I did a lot to the face off camera. I contoured with the NYX blush in Taupe. It's just a like neutral taupe color. For the cheeks, I put some Riot Red, or Red Riot on. Hopefully it's not looking too red because I had to like really blend it out because this is a red color and it's very pigmented. For under my eyes, I concealed with two of the NYX Can't Stop Won't Stop concealers. This one is in medium olive, which obviously you can see it's like kind of my skin tone, but maybe like a shade darker. And then I just used the pale to make like my own custom shade. I think it turned out pretty well. I don't normally use this type of concealer under my eyes, but she's getting mad because I'm talking and waking her up. She's so cute. But yeah, this is what I have under my eyes. And then for under the shadow underneath my eyes, I just used the Monarch color again, and it doesn't appear dark in the pan, but once you put on your eyes, like in a concentrated form, it's like really dark. It's like a dark army green. I really like it. And then for the inner corner highlight, And then I brought it up a little bit. I just used the Wet n Wild Mega Glow highlighter brick in Midnight Moon, and this is limited edition, but I just freaking love this. Like, there, it looks white. It's almost like a white gold, but there's like a yellow gold shift to it, and it's really pretty. And this is actually what I'm gonna put on my cheeks for highlighter. And I'm just gonna take that same highlighter with a like highlighting brush like this, or just use whatever highlighting brush you like, and I'm gonna put that on my cheekbones. Oh, it's so pretty. Like, in a concentrated form, it's like super like blinding, but it's definitely buildable. Like, can you see that? It's so pretty. I love it. This girl always has resting bitch face, like RBF, all day, every day. Like, do you see her? She was always like this towards me. I don't even, like, she has to be near me, but if I go to pick her up, she like runs away. Look at that. Oh my god, it's so pretty. But she's a complicated one. She's definitely like a daddy's girl, but then she's also loves her mom too. But she just, like, I guess she's entering her teen years, even though she's still only going on 2 in July. I'm putting some on my nose just because I like the look of that. Earlier, I just used the NYX Dewy Finish one. I'm going to do it again just to melt everything together. Oh, and for mascara, I'm all over the place. I just used my L'Oreal Voluminous Original because I really, really like this mascara. So yeah, I'm just gonna spray my face again with the dewy one, just because, I don't know, I feel like my skin is a little too dry right now. She's probably like, you better not spray me, mom. Like, she got really big. I don't know if I showed her, like, when we first got her. But she got really, really big. Now I guess the last thing to do is lips. Oh my gosh, I really love that highlight. Like, if you wanted like more wow in your face, you could always just keep on like building it up, but I like how it is right now. So I'm pretty sure it's my camera and the light that's like throwing off this color, but this one's so much better. This is from that brand In Studio Cosmetics from Walmart. It's like under $2, and why doesn't this want to go in? Okay, it's under $2. It's a matte lip cream, and it's called, like I said, it's called Lips But Better, and it's honestly just a nude pink, and the formula is pretty good. Like, you really can't tell there's anything on your lips. On camera it's looking more like a more rosy color. Well, I guess it's kind of true to color now, but it's a little bit brighter on camera than it actually is in real life. I actually really like this color. I'm not sure. I don't know. So, this is the completed look. If you want to, you can add gloss, but I'm not really a gloss person. I don't know. I used to like it when I was younger, but as I get older, I'm just like, nah, I'd rather go for like matte lipsticks, matte liquid lipsticks, etc., etc. But yeah, this is the complete look. I actually really love how the eyes turned out. I wasn't going for this, to be honest. In the beginning, I wanted to do like a peachy coral eye, but like I said, this green from BH Cosmetics, the crown color, was like, it's perfect. Anyways, yeah, I will talk to you guys later. Have a good day, and all my links will be down below.